I'm Mike from GasOutdoorPatioHeaters.com here in San Clemente, California. I'm here today to talk about my favorite heaters, Detroit Radiant DSC Series. We have two different styles. We have a black and we have a stainless steel. The stainless steel is a 430 stainless steel. And then we also have a 430 stainless steel with a black anodizing on it, or it's actually called an aluminized coating over it, which makes it pretty durable. This one's a little more money because of the coating that's onto it, other than the stainless steel. And if I were in a beach environment where there's salt, I would go with the black more so than the 430 stainless steel. Some of the characteristics of this heater is they make it in a 31 and a 34,000 BTU LP gas, propane and natural gas, which is great. It has a high and low setting, so you can go on 20, I believe it's 7,000 BTU up to 34,000 BTU. That's an option, or you can just go straight 34 or 31,000 BTU. They have nice control systems on these heaters right here. On this one right here, you can go on, off, high, or low. And all of the wires are color coordinated to the heaters themselves, so to wire them up is nothing. You have to use a transformer on these because they are 24 volt heaters, and you have to go to 120 volt, knock it down to 24 volt, and then go through the switches to do that. You don't have to use these switches, but they do offer these. And this is just an on and off, so the single stage and the dual stage, same switches. Very nice. Not come with, but extra, is real nice brackets. These brackets are wall or ceiling mount. You can adjust them anywhere you want them. Comes with all the nuts and bolts. Super simple to put on, very durable and strong. I like their brackets. They come with really good instructions to install them. Very, very simple heater. What I like about these heaters is I use these on all my restaurants when I do restaurant installs here in Southern California. And reason being is I don't have any problems with them. They're simple, they're really cost effective because the price to pay for these is almost half of what other heaters are. They're very economical heaters to run as well. They get extra hot because of the way that they manufacture their grills on these particular heaters. And these are for a 34,000 BTU heater, I'll put them up to any other heater, and they'll outdo them by far. So they're good, warm heaters. They're not cheesy heaters whatsoever. And I love these for restaurants because I've never worked on them. I've literally installed hundreds and hundreds of these things, and we sell them all the time. It's one of my favorite heaters. For the cost, you cannot beat it. They're great, great heaters. I have another little part right here that you can put on and make them a Wi-Fi, so you don't need any switches at all. I have a two-stage Wi-Fi for high and low, and just a regular Wi-Fi, so you can run this off of your phone if you want to turn them on and off. Strongly recommend these heaters. They're 34 inches long. 48 inches long by 8 by 8. They weigh about 46 pounds, so they're not real heavy. This is the black right here, and the stainless you have right here. To install these, you've got a gas line on this side right here. You run your 24 volt wiring in right here. Pretty much really simple. I particularly like the gas lines black on mine, or stainless steel. I don't like the yellow gas lines you buy in a hardware store. I also like to put a 90-degree fitting on here. We call this a street elbow, so it looks a lot cleaner coming up instead of some gas line you see people stringing all over the place with wires. It looks terrible. That's about all I know about these. I strongly recommend them. I know a lot about these heaters. I've installed tons and tons of them. We always have them in stock here at the shop. They go off the shelf all the time. And like I said, anytime I do a restaurant, this is what I use, because they're so economically priced. Any questions, you can call me, Mike, at GasOutdoorPatioHeaters.com, 760-779-1352. If you buy these online and you're checking out, there'll be a box there that'll ask for a code. The code will be video. Put the word video in there, you get a nice discount on these. Or you can call in and also talk to somebody here in the office and say video. You saw them online and you'd like to buy these. Can't say enough about them. I'm Mike, GasOutdoorPatioHeaters.com. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day.